Hey guys, I'm Faris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use views in your Laravel project. In an MVC framework, the letter V stands for views. It separates the application logic and the presentation logic. Views are stored in the resources/views directory. Generally, the view contains the HTML which will be served by the application. So we'll start our tutorial with our first simple example. I'll continue with my previous Larablocks project. So first things first, I'm going to create a new file inside our resources views folder. So I'm going to call it test.php. So new file. Now save it as so save it as test.php. Okay, so I have my new file here, and I'm going to type in a very simple script. Hello world. Okay, that's it. And let's go to web.php. I think it's somewhere in the app folder. Well, I can't quite remember. It's in the routes folder. Okay, web.php. I'm just gonna add a new route underneath all other previous routes. So route double colon get, and we'll call our new route as test. So we're gonna add a new function that will do something. So return view. This will in turn populate our browser with the newly created test file. So save the whole thing, and let's go to the terminal and let's run our server. So cd documents. Okay, PHP artisan serve. And let's go to our browser, local host 8000. Okay, so this is my welcome screen, and let's take a look at our new file, test. And there you have it, hello world. While building application, it may be required to pass data to the views. So pass an array to view helper function, and after passing an array, we can use the key to get the value of that key in the HTML file. So if we want to pass some data to our view, we can always go to our file test.php, and we're gonna do some tweaks. Replace the text hello world with some PHP code, and we're gonna echo name. You can or not put a semicolon over here, so I'll just put it anyway. And let's go to web.php. So instead of just returning a view, we're gonna add a data that will be passed by this route, and it will be received and printed by our file. So name Forest Gaskin. Save that. Let's take a look, refresh the view. Right, so the link is localhost 8000/test and the result is your name. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We've seen how we can pass data to views, but at times there is a need to pass data to all the views. So Laravel makes this simpler by using a method called share. So this method takes two arguments, key and value. Now let's go to our web.php. So we have our previous route over here, and we'll revert back to what it was once before. So return view test, and we're going to add a new route that displays the same result, but this time it's going to point to a new file, so we'll call it test2. So we have our first view test and our second view test2. So save that, and let's go back to our views folder. So we're going to add a new file, and we're going to save it as test2.php. The codes for both files will be exactly the same. Okay, for this purpose, we're going to use a service provider. So let's go to the app folder, providers, and we'll open the app service provider.php file. Now inside the boot function, we're going to add a new line of code. View, let's take this one off. Okay. So view, share, we're going to share our view, and for this we're going to display a name, my name of course. So regardless, if we type in the link test or test2, both will display the same result. Now let's go back to our browser. So localhost test. So it displays my name, Forest Gaskin, and if we type test2, it will also display the same result. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and see you guys later in my next tutorials. Thanks for watching.